Hi YouTube, this is a video on all the stuff that I got for Christmas 2010. So yeah, I got 8-finger tech decks and I got a skate park. So yeah, it didn't come with this, but I just added that. So yeah, and that was separate, but all of that right there, these things right here, it's all came in one pack, and my aunt got it, and my other aunt got me this one. This is that one over there, and it came with this fingerboard, and so, and this one right here, it came with these 2 fingerboards, Ryan Sheckler, says right there, and then Ryan Sheckler, and then Sheckler. So, yeah, I'm trying to get better, and yeah, I'm trying to wax this so it can be smoother, and I glued it on, so hope it's stable, and yeah. I'll try to make some videos of me using it. This just looks like the Mega Ramp, kinda. So, yeah. And, oh yeah. There's this right here. It came with a case. And I had another one that was Baker. And it came with a case. Right here. I'll open it. See, you can put some like stuff in it, but I just put wheels, some trucks in with wheels. And this board right here came with this and some wheels. You can't really read it, but it's independent. So yeah, and it came with 2 types of grip tape. This kind of grip tape and this kind of grip tape for flip, but I had a different one that was Baker, and it had a Baker one on it. It was pretty cool. So yeah, all my fingerboards or tech decks. So yeah, that one, and actually this one I got a matching sweater with it. It's pretty weird. So I have the tech deck and I have the sweater of it. And Plan B. I never heard of this brand before, but it's called Creation Skateboards. So yeah. But this one is probably my favorite though. It is my favorite. See, but these ones like this New York one, it's like not smooth at all. But yeah, anyways, rate, subscribe, and comment, and add me as friend. So this is what it looks like.